do this, you do that. No sound. No sound. It's just not music. Play badly, throw loads of stuff away. Get the sides. Do what you do. So that's good. Like twice as easy. Power, what are you doing? You're making power. Making power runs out of power. That'd be good as well, because you could like show a video of how you actually play. Going through your mind in time. Well, I just found myself recently wanting to know where I went wrong on a game. But it's different when you're just watching it after, because you can see everything clearly, but you don't know what you could see at the time. You know what I mean?